Have you ever imagined owning a private patio in the middle of Beacon Hill for under $1 million? Well, now's your chance. I'm Jonathan Russell. Welcome to 12 Lindall Place, Unit 1. This home offers 1 bedroom, 2 full bathrooms with radiant heated floors, and this multi-purpose space, which can be used as a living room, second bedroom, or heck, even your personal gym. This contemporary kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, an Electrolux induction range, and phenomenal sunlight overlooking your private patio. The kitchen even offers an eat-in area, a wood-burning fireplace, and a wet bar. This home offers in-unit laundry and an abundance of storage, including California closets in the primary bedroom. To top off this home, not only do you have a deck, but you have this large private patio, great for entertaining. Don't miss your chance to own this home in the heart of Beacon Hill.